Today I'm going to show you the smoky eye look for hooded eyes. The first thing you want to do is use a color that is matte and the same color as your lid. I'm using Cupcake for this part, and you're only going to blend that in from the crease up. Next, you're going to take a little bit of a darker color. I'm using Ivy League. This is also a matte, and you're going to swipe that across your lid in the crease. Now I'm going to come in with one of our shimmers, which is called Emerald City, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to use a shimmer called Atlantic just on the inner and middle part of my lid. Then I will take a darker matte called Salem and put that in the outer corner of my eye with a smaller brush to get precision, then use my blending end to blend it out. The next thing you'll want to do is bring those same colors down to the bottom lash line. You'll start with the darkest on the outside and work your way towards the inner corner, getting lighter as you go. Now I'm going to take our Black Friday cream liner and line my upper lash line. This next part is totally optional. Creating a point on the inner part of your eye is very in style right now, but don't feel like you have to do this to complete this look. I'm honestly still working on perfecting this myself. If you want to make your eyes appear a little bit more open, try using a white or nude liner on the lower lash line. I'm using NYX Professional Extreme Shine Eyeliner that's waterproof. Next, just take a smudge brush and kind of blend out that black liner on the top and extend the wing at the end. Apply your mascara, and you're done. Now let's finish the look and see what we got. Feeling a little Avril Lavigne. Thanks for watching.